Morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are right now. We are in the midst of one of the biggest winter storms in probably about a decade and a while. As you can see, we get a light dusting, but more is to come. But we're just gonna make a little vlogish kind of updating video of our conditions here in Tennessee. Yeah, we're gonna show you around a little bit too here in a second. But down here in our little cavern, the current temperature is 28 degrees. Wind is 6 miles per hour. There's light and freezing rain. We're not seeing much of that right now, but I'd say later on in the day it is going to increase a substantial amount. But as you can see right here, just looking by this, that is some ice in here. Tennessee over here is getting the brink of it. I'll pull up the map right here. I'll do a little walk around this yard, my yard, and the conditions of the ice. So as I showed you a second ago, we got this kind of stuff right here. It's pretty, a very thin layer, but that's about what the whole entire yard is here. It's just this kind of coating of this snow here, but it's like, it's kind of iced on snow, very slippery. But as you can see, these are coated with ice here, and this is what gets on the roads and makes the roads very slippery when ice rain comes down here. But things get very brittle in this type of temperature. It's supposed to get in the tweens to teens tonight here in Tennessee, and we're on a high elevation, so it will get a lot colder. Ice will freeze over a lot faster. But as you can see here, we got a pretty good dusting of snow all around here. Now back here, it is not. Right as of now, there's some rain coming down, but it's not pouring. But as you can see back here, there's been some snow. But I'll take you around the track here. But, there really hasn't been that. This is really just ice on the ground here. I can hear the crunchings of it. But this is our dirt bike track that I will be doing some videos in the summer on here. We're gonna get this all fixed up. I'll do a couple videos of this getting fixed up here. We've started some in the winter. This dirt part here, we started doing some work on it, but it's, as you can see, it's a lot unleveled here. So, we're just getting this. This is our little makeshift jump covered in snow here. As you can see, it needs some work because this log is not going to do work for us. But as you can see, it's really not as bad right now. I can show you the road conditions in just a split second here. But as we do a walk down the path here, some snow is starting, or some sleet, or ice rain, or whatever you can call it. It's kind of starting to fall down here. But as we make our day into the wee hours, the early morning of Sunday, this is supposed to get a lot worse. I'll pull up the map, like I said earlier, so you can see the actual amount that'll be falling. Ice, snow, rain. Sorry, ice, rain, snow, things like that is a very substantial threat to us right now. But right now we just kind of have this stuff again. This little ice, sleet. It is very chippy out here, a little windy as well, but we're still watching the weather here because I mean, some fell from the deck here. I want to show you the condition of the road here. Completely coated with a pretty good layer of ice, really. But as you can see on top of the truck here, there's also very crunchy ice up here as well. As you can see, the wind was very strong last night as it blew over the trash can for recycling here. So we're gonna get this cleaned up. As you can see here, this is the condition of my driveway currently. But this is all ice. This is a very thick coat, not too thick of a coat, but there's still ice on the driveway. As you can hear, it's very crunchy. And the black ice is a very big problem here as well. There's already been a couple wrecks up here, but this road here is not very thick with ice, but that'll freeze over sooner rather than later. But this driveway is pretty darn icy. I don't know if you can see the glitter on it, but that was some substantial amount of ice. Today is a very harsh snowstorm. Is currently not in too bad condition, but I'll keep you updated. Scratch what I said about this video being uploaded tomorrow or Monday, because we can do a couple parts of this, because there's a lot going on. This is crazy. This is about, okay, maybe, I don't know, I have to measure that, but I think it's just good to upload a video and just get it out there. But I mean, this is like very frozen. As you can see, I just broke it. So this video will be going up tonight, and then I'll upload a part 2 or an update soon after that. But if you see these windows, these are my truck windows, covered in ice. I don't even know if I can open my door right now. Like, that's just how it is right now. That is about what we're looking at as ice right now. So it's pretty thin. But definitely got a little more windy. There's another little coat. Raining now, sprinkling. It's not sleeting, but